kaseng National People Party haga khalai terik nailor arhajar san kala pynlong ya ke jing yalang sngolem hapo ka office jongka ban pynpaw ya ke jingsngewsih halor jing khlad no jong u Dr.DD Lapang haga ne jalang pynpaw jingsngewsih laylam do Presiden kaseng u konrad kesang ma u badairu u menteri rangba jong ke jela haga ne jalang kala pynlong ru ya ke jingsngap jar ka ba minit banduai na ka benta kete ke mensim ke bla khlad no haga ju ka poru banduai namta kaying gasem ba kinyo jitngen hagne jingdu ke bakrau na kalian jo parti ke pynpaw boba lapang ula IT yala ke jingim hak san perthei na kapta ke jela ban na kapta ka bha ka miat jeng pai ba hak jinglong nomi khmat ke jong u hak ni kisnem baroj kata ula longru u menteri rangba jong ke jela la sansin
lost a mentor, we have lost a father figure, we have lost a person who had huge experience and who had been guiding us in difficult situations and positions that we went through. As party president at the national level, I express my deepest condolences to the members of the bereaved family. On behalf of the family of the NPP, we send our deepest condolences to the family members, and we pray to Almighty that He may give strength to His family members to be able to bear the loss that they have had, to be able to move forward. We pray to Almighty that all the people who have been touched by the works, the deeds, the words of late Dr.DD Lapang, who will miss him today, we pray that Almighty will give strength to each and every one of them. So on behalf of the party, as I said, once again, it is a great, great loss, and we have specially called this particular condolence meeting and prayer meeting specially to pay our deepest respects to the departed soul. I also want to share with you that the government has declared 3-day mourning in respect of the departed soul. Also at 10 a.m. there will be a prayer meeting in the residence of late DD Lapang, followed by a state funeral which will be given after the prayer meeting, so it could start at 12 or 1, and we will be informing everybody about the details of the location as well as the timings, and I do hope that all of you will also attend that particular funeral program and the state funeral that will be given in the honor of late Dr.DD Lapang.